Animal disguises and warnings. Small creatures stay alive by hiding from their enemies. This tree snake is leaf colored. Can you see it right here? It looks just like the tree it's hiding in. Some are camouflage. This means that they're hard to see against their homes, like this toad. You can see his eyes, his feet. This chameleon changes the color of its skin as it moves among leaves and flowers. Some are disguised to look like something different. This leaf is really a butterfly. This insect looks like a flower. It catches and it eats insects which are searching for nectar. See the eyes right here? So when the bee or an insect lands here trying to look for nectar, it eats them. This geometer caterpillar rears up and stays still, and it looks like a twig when its enemies are near. This Central Asian frog, bright colors warn its enemy that it is poisonous. Indians used to tip their arrows with its poisonous frog. These poisonous butterflies also have warning colors. Harmless insects have copied the colors so that enemies will avoid them too. These 3 coral snakes all look alike, but one is poisonous. This confuses enemies as they do not know which snake to eat. This is not an insect, but a flower. It looks like a female bee, and it attracts the male bees who come and pollinate the flower. Why rainforests are important. Rainforests are the home of many people and at least half of the world's animals and plants. They also provide us with food, oxygen, and materials for everyday things such as medicine, furniture, and even chewing gum. Foods from the jungle. All the world's chickens were bred from the wild jungle fowl that live in the Indian rainforests. Maize first grew in the jungles in Central America. It's still an important food from there. Cornflakes are made from maize. Rice is the main food for over half the people in the world, and it first grew in rainforests. Pineapples, oranges, bananas, lemons, aubergines, and peppers came from jungle plants. Thousands of other jungle fruits and vegetables can be eaten. Peanuts, cashews, and Brazil nuts come from rainforest plants. Chocolate is made from cocoa beans, coffee beans, tea leaves, cocoa pod. Tea, coffee, and chocolate are made from the leaves or seeds of plants that first grew in the jungle. Chewing gum is made from chicle. This comes from the jungle trees. Rainforest tribes know how to use many plants. The Lua tribe in Thailand grow over 120 plants for medicines, food, decorations, and to make into clothes. Rubber. Rubber is made from a sticky liquid called latex. This is found in about 1,800 types of jungle plants and trees. They're collecting latex to make rubber like we collect maple syrup. Air. Jungles produce lots of oxygen which goes into the air we breathe. When trees are cut down, there's less oxygen. Wood. Some of the most beautiful kinds and useful kinds of wood, such as balsa wood and mahogany, come from rainforest trees. Medicines. 1/4 of all medicines are made from rainforest plants. Thousands of other plants can probably be used to make new medicines. Chemicals from the jungle plants are used in aspirin, antibiotics, and quinine used to treat malaria. Trees store water and release some of it back into the air. This helps make more rain. If jungles are cut down, rainwater runs away and it rains less. 1 billion people depend on rainwater from jungles to grow their crops. So see you have the river. Clouds form from the tiny drops of water. The roots absorb the water from the ground. Water falls as rain forms from the cloud. And then a lot of the water goes back into the air from the tree leaves.